So back with this sun and fun little image that I've created, we're now going to look at how we can group these separate elements to make them one. And then I'm also going to show you how to save this as an image so that you can then add this into another document without just having to copy and paste. You can actually save it as a separate file. So I'm on a Windows device. So if I use Control A, it selects everything together. But I'm just going to highlight over as well so that I can just select these elements. I don't want to actually select the slide. So you can see I've got 3 elements selected: the sun, the beach ball, and my text. I've got 2 magic menus here. The reason why I have the graphics format magic menus because the beach ball is an actual graphic imported from the collection available on PowerPoint, but we're going to stick to using our shape format one. And if I click this group tool here, I can group or I can ungroup. There's no ungrouping here because nothing's been grouped, so I'm just going to click group. And now if I click, it's one image and I can move it around together. If I made a mistake, I can go here and we can ungroup, and now you can see if I try to move, I move in separate elements. If I just wanted to group the beach ball and the sun together, I'm going to click on the beach ball and then I'm going to hold the control key down on my keyboard and select the sun. Go back into the shape format menu and click group, and you can see now it's its own image. The text moves separately as if it's not part of the image. Now, if I was just happy with the beach ball and the sun and I was like, right, this is my logo, this is my graphic, I just want to have this as my image. Now that I've got it grouped together, I can right click on it and I can save it as a picture. So as I save it as a picture, you can see here that it automatically chooses to save it as a PNG. You can see that there are different file formats here. You've got JPEG, you've got GIF, and so forth. We're going to stick to this. And obviously, as you've been informed before, we need to think of a suitable file name. So for this, I'm going to call it beach logo and then save. And that is now saved as a separate image. If I now go in and add a new slide, I can go into insert, pictures, and I'm going to go to pictures from this device and we can add in my logo. And there you go.